Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create bangles using Russian spiral stitch. This technique is really easy and incredibly versatile. To achieve the best results, use beads of at least 2 sizes or color. For the brown bangle you will need 2mm Czech chalk red luster beads, Toho Opaque Oxblood 11O beads, and Jet California 4mm Firepolish beads. For the first round, pick 9 beads in total. Pick up repeating pattern of 2 11Os and 1 2mm bead twice. Then pick 2 11Os and 1 Firepolished bead. Tie the beads into a ring with a knot, leaving 5-inch tail. Then sew through the Firepolished bead again. For the second round, pick up 1 2mm bead, 2 11Os, and sew through the 11O bead right after the next 2mm bead. Repeat this pattern once more. Then pick up 1 Firepolished bead and 2 11Os. Sew through the 11O right after the next 2mm bead. And step up through the first 2 beads added in this round. Do another 2 rounds. The position of the Firepolished bead is changing in each round as the beads are spiraling. From the 5th round, do twice the pattern of 2 11Os and Firepolished bead. And do this for 4 rounds. From the 9th round, repeat the pattern of 11Os and Firepolished bead 3 times. Do 4 rounds in total with 3 Firepolished beads in each round. After that, remove 1 Firepolished bead every 4th round. And the rest of the bracelet can be done using only 11Os and 2mm beads. This bangle is approximately 20.5 centimeters long, but you can accommodate the length of yours according to your needs. Once you reach your desired length, connect 2 ends of the beadwork together to create a bangle. To connect 2 ends of your beadwork, sew through the 2mm bead and 2 11Os on the other end, and then come back sewing through the 11O bead right after the next 2mm bead. Do this 2 more times to finish the round. To secure these 2 ends, sew zigzag through the beads on both ends, making knots along the way. And the working thread and tail. Take the thread from the other end and sew zigzag through the both ends. Again, end this working thread and tail. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button and find out more about our newest videos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.